Hello, this is Hans, the Dutch guy, with much Dutch. And this time we will see how to pronounce in a regular Dutch accent the famous Dutch cheese Gouda. Yes, this is the way us Dutchies say Gouda, not Gouda or Gouda. That sounds very silly to us. So, Gouda. There is a very slight emphasis on the first syllable. Gou-da. Gou-da. All the letters will be pronounced. And yes, the reason for a lot of English speaker to say Gouda is because of that harsh Dutch g at the beginning. Just keep practicing it. Pretend something is stuck in your throat. Gouda. You see? Gouda. I love a piece of Gouda on my sandwich. I hope this video was helpful. You can help us by liking it and subscribing to our channel. And we have plenty of other content here, so be sure to check that out too. Tot ziens!